sons shall sit on the throne of Israel to the fourth generation.
My friends, hold on, let me stop my Clara. Hi my friends, welcome to my channel. Welcome back again for another video. I'm so happy to be doing this. YouTube has been something that I wanted to do for a very long time, and to finally do it is such a cool thing for me. I'm about to go for a walk. I'm due for a walk. I haven't moved my body in such a long time, and I need to myself gather the strength, the little strength that I have, because sana gubi ngiyashona ikishilamila bomb literally. But I'm about to go for a walk now, and I have an errand to run. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run the errand while walking, so I don't have to do two trips. So I'm gonna kill two birds with one stone. You got me. Yeah, let's go for a walk. I'm not gonna go too far. Maybe I'm gonna do maybe an 8 kilometer, 4 kilometer going, 4 kilometer coming back. I'm not counting the errand part. I'm taking that out. My walk just has to be 8 kilometers. Thursday morning, it's bright outside. The birds are singing. I don't know if you can hear them, but they are singing. I can hear them. I was listening to Mahlera just to pick up my mood, you know, some hip hop for the morning, and I'm feeling good. Yeah, I'm also gonna take my headphones just to not get bored on the road, because I'm doing this alone as always. What's new? What's new? I don't know where I think I'm going without my eye contact. Here things are showing endleleni, things are showing ngokungaboni. Oh, Jesus Christ. I hate when they do this, because now it takes me longer to do this task. And it can take 2 minutes, this thing. I think it's here. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm about to crash out. Crash out. One down, one more to go. Whew. I look so beautiful. Having vision is a blessing. This shows you, don't take them for granted. We pay to see. Why kipatela hubona? Because athanga abapateli banobona nje. But for me, thanti kipatela. Wow. I look cute or whatever. Thing is, heck is not dilotse. Akiboni, akiti hore ke byang. All of this thing. Nekisayiboni, because life is rosy now. One last thing. Let's hit the road. I didn't think it was going to be this hot, because I've never walked at this time. I always walk earlier, but then now I had to run this errand, and then it was going to be impossible for me to do what I want to do earlier. So I had to compromise with this time, which is killing my butt, because it's so hot, Bahlali. It's so hot. I think I'm gonna take an Uber back home. Le walking ngathi izophelela emoyeni, because I can't. Woo! That's a Jeto. Jeto khafile ne? That's a nice car. There's a new release, man. Go Jeto. It's such a nice car. It's so hot. The sun is out. I'm struggling. Sana. bail me out from this hellhole. But I'm listening to music, I'm feeling good. Except for the sun, man. But I get to my mean here. Vlogging in public is such a difficult thing because why is everyone watching what I'm doing? Yeah. I'm done with the popos, as my dear would say. Going back to the cafe, Kesana. I needed cash, so I withdrew that and I'm heading home now. I've been seeing this place a lot and I want to try it out today, so I'm ordering some food with them and then we'll be going home because our errands are done and it's too hot to be outside. Really? She's looking like I'm not saying now. So enjoy. Hey, and he's a toilet. Ngizokubona ne. Then to go konyakula. Yabona mongathandi ingane. Zohamba kahle. Kumele waziwe ne. Kahle futhi. Ne, excellent. We have secured the goods. Here we are and I'm now heading home. Just have like good customer service. If you treat me well as a customer or treat me well as your client, trust and believe I'm gonna come back. I love great service. Yo, there's nothing that gives me the ick. Like abantu abangakwazi ukuphatha ama customer noma ama client kahle. Like people who are rude. Nje angizwani nabo. So I had good customer service there. I'll let you know when I get home how the food tastes like. But I trust them, so ngiyabathemba yazi. Sengiyathemba ukuthi likhipha umkhove nje. What in the burning sun is that? Yo. I walked less than 8 kilometers if we are keeping it real. I just need to sit down, drink some water and have my food. I didn't do what I initially went out to do. The weather was not on my favor because also I had no cap, I had no umbrella. I was signing up for failure actually. And it also didn't help that I had a long sleeve. Wait, it did help, but it didn't help. It did help in the sense of protecting my arms from the sun. I didn't get sunburn here, but I do have sunburn over my face, I can see that. But also it didn't help because it was too hot to be wearing a long sleeve, yo. And this thing is like, it's a semi-jersey, yo, it's hot. So I chose the liver and initially I wanted rice, but they gave me pap. I think there was confusion in our communication, but it's fine, I'm not mad, man. They're such great people. I have not had pap in a while and I don't miss pap, but when I have it I know it's gonna be good. I don't really like it, but when I have it I enjoy it. So yeah, we withdrew some cash, we went to the police station, certified the documents we needed to certify and came back home. Didn't take an Uber, so shout out to me. I walked all the way back home, which was a win, a very good win, big one. I'm just gonna finish eating my food and then after that I'm gonna shoot a video. There's a video I want to shoot today. I'm just not sure if I'm gonna be able to make it, but I'm keeping my arms crossed. Another thing that I want to say, iPhone, I hate you. May it not go unsaid that I hate iPhone because the storage issues I've been experiencing with an iPhone, out of this world. out of this world. iPhone, you are not a good person. You are not a good thing to ever happen to me. I've been using Android my whole life. I started using an iPhone this year. No, actually last year. Yeah, late last year. And it's been a horrible experience space-wise because it tells you to delete things. You delete, but then the space is not there. It's a lot, Nji. iPhone is a lot. I think I'll end this vlog here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being with me, spending the morning with me. See you on the next vlog. Please do not forget to share, comment, subscribe, and like my video. See you on the next one. Bye.